Hey everyone, Linus here. Want a super cool PC? Exactly how I want it. Today we're building one ourselves. It's like adult Legos, but way more powerful. Plus, you save money and learn tons. Get ready for an awesome adventure. Building your own PC is like unlocking a superpower. You choose exactly what goes in, making it perfect for gaming, creative work, or anything you love. No more overpriced pre-built PCs with parts you don't need. It might seem scary, but trust me, it's not. We'll break down each step. Just follow along and you'll be amazed at what you can do. Get ready to become a PC building champion. Before we start building, let's gather our tools and components. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy workshop. Tools: Phillips head screwdriver, our trusty sidekick for screwing things in. Anti-static wrist strap, keeps your components safe from static electricity. Zip ties or Velcro straps, for neat and tidy cable management. Components: motherboard, the foundation of your PC, connecting all the parts. CPU, the brain of your PC, doing all the thinking. RAM, short-term memory, helping your PC run smoothly. Graphics card, for awesome gaming and graphics-intensive tasks. Storage hard drive or SSD to store your operating system, games and files. Power supply, provides power to all the components. PC case houses and protects all the components. Got everything? Great, let's move on to setting up our workspace. Safety first, everyone. Before we dive in, let's create a safe and organized workspace. Find a spacious, well-lit area. Your kitchen table or a clear desk works great. Asterisk. Ground yourself. Wear your anti-static wrist strap and connect it to a metal part of your case. Asterisk. Organize your components. Keep your components in their anti-static bags until you need them. Asterisk. Keep it clean. A clean workspace means fewer accidents and a happier building experience. Remember, we're dealing with delicate electronics, so be gentle and take your time. Now let's get building. The motherboard is like the foundation of our PC house and the CPU is its brain. Let's install them. Motherboard installation. 1. Open your PC case and locate the motherboard standoffs. 2. Align the motherboard over the standoffs. 3. Screw in the motherboard using the correct screws. CPU installation. 1. Open the CPU socket lever on the motherboard. 2. Align the arrow on the CPU with the arrow on the socket. 3. Gently place the CPU into the socket. 4. Close the CPU socket lever. 5. Install the CPU cooler, usually comes with a thermal paste pad or requires you to apply a small amount. Section 5. The brains of the operation: installing RAM. RAM is like your PC's short-term memory, helping it multitask like a pro. Installing it is a piece of cake. First, open the clips on the RAM slots on your motherboard. Next, align the notch on the RAM stick with the notch on the slot. Then push down on both ends of the RAM until it clicks into place. Repeat these steps for each RAM stick. Most motherboards have 2 or 4 RAM slots. Section 6. Powering up your graphics: installing the graphics card. Want stunning visuals for gaming or creative work? The graphics card is your best friend. First, find the topmost PCIe X16 slot on your motherboard. Next, open the rear case slot corresponding to the PCIe slot. Then align and gently push the graphics card into the slot until it clicks. Section 7. Connecting the dots: installing storage and power supply. Now let's install our storage drive and the power supply, which powers our entire PC. Storage installation. First, find the appropriate bay for your storage device. That's 2.5 inches for SSDs and 3.5 inches for HDDs. Then slide the storage device into the bay and screw it in. Power supply installation. Place the power supply in its designated bay, usually at the bottom or top of the case. Screw in the power supply. Finally, connect the appropriate power cables to the motherboard, CPU, graphics card, and storage devices. Section 8. Button it up. Closing the case and connecting peripherals. We're almost there. Time to close up our PC case and connect the peripherals. First, carefully place the side panel back on the case and screw it in. Next, connect your monitor, keyboard, mouse, and other peripherals to the appropriate ports on the back of your PC. Lastly, connect the power cord to the power supply and plug it into a surge protector. Section 9. The moment of truth. First boot and software setup. This is it, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's turn on our creation and install the operating system. First, press the power button on your PC. If everything is connected properly, you should see the BIOS screen. Then, boot from your operating system installation media, whether that's a DVD or a USB drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to install your operating system. Once the operating system is installed, install the necessary drivers for your components. Congratulations, you built your own PC. Now go enjoy your awesome new machine.